Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from group Batik and we want to describe and explain our production capacity design. But before that, let me introduce our group member. First, there is me, Anissa Rahimatu Zahra, and there's my friends, Niwayan Estiani and Rizky Tiwi Kusuma. So, without further ado, let's start.
Batikware is a manufacturing company that engaged in the fashion industry, which provide various types of batik-based fashion products. In addition to providing finished products, Batikware also provide custom-based products in the hope of meeting customer wants and needs. The advantage of our company is the customer can determine for themselves or custom what the products they want, such as dress, tote bag, cap, and etc. Because fashion is something that will not run out of the time, so based on the result of our analysis, it estimates that the demand for these items at the introduction stage is 2,000 to 5,000 pieces. So that's all about our company. And in the next slide is measuring capacity strategy.
Basic capacity in the lag strategy. In accordance with the explanation that has been done before, our company is the Batik Wear using the basic capacity in the lag strategy, where the company will increase the number of production and sales if there is a rise in the demand met by the customer. So, at the moment it takes his large production, a company can handle it by setting up the materials and purchase production that is greater than the previous. Measuring capacity in the input section. In this case, we see that the batik wear is part of measuring capacity in the input section. Because the company is manufacturing, then to see the input value of a company to look at the number of materials received by the company as a raw materials for the manufacture of the product. So to see measuring capacity, could see the materials that will go into the arsenal of the company before the product is produced.
From our research, we estimate in 3 months we can sell 1,000 until 3,000 products such as hijab, clothes, bag, and others accessories maybe. And the average price of the products is estimated at 200,050 rupiah. So to overcome the trade-off problem, we did a break-even analysis calculation, and based on the results, as we can see here, if we just produce less than 2,000 products, it's better if we choose an alternative one. But if we produce more than 2,000 products, it's better if we choose alternative two. And based on the result of the break-even analysis calculation, which is the second alternative, the reasons are because the cost per unit to produce a product more than 200 pieces is lower than the first alternative, as we estimate in 3 months we can sell 1,000 until 3,000 products. So we think we better to choose the alternative two. And by buying a textile printing machine, we can adjust the amount of fabric we want to print and according to our needs. And we can print various pattern and design anytime with the amount we need. Due to the possibility that the pattern and design trends change over time and continue to require creativity and innovation, by choosing alternative two, we can reduce the risk of stockpiling fabric in the warehouse because we can just print just amount that we need. And in addition, if there is an increase in demand, the more you produce, the greater the profit. As you can see in this alternative to calculation, the greater our production, so the profits is more higher. I think this is due to the influence of the machine technology used, which makes production more effective and efficient. Okay, that's our batik wear capacity design. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.